a trick on a third generation Dodge here. If you have a window, like a passenger side window here, that will roll down but won't roll up, what you can do is you can jumper this guy and this guy, and then this guy and this guy, and it'll roll the window up. So again, it's this jumper together, and then this one to this one. So you can use alligator clips for this, and I'll kind of give you a quick demo here. All right, as you can see, the window's open. I've got these jumpered the way that I explained, and then I'm just going to touch this one up here in this upper corner. You can see the window's going up. So that's a neat little trick. Now, it turns out in my case, the issue here was not, I've got the door panel off and everything, it was not the door switch, and it was not the motor. It ended up being the driver's side. The driver's side wasn't working properly. Found a $20 replacement on eBay, or sorry, Amazon, and just threw that in there. Now everything's working great.